Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS borders color. Now right now we'll be discussing about how to set different border colors by color names. Back to our document and back to our document. Right here we are having this color in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the CSS border width. And right now we are going to remove this color that we specify here in this shorthand. Let's now save our document and see what we got. Now we have black color. It inherited the color by default. Now we want to specify our new color by using the border color. Let's use the border color property. When we use border color property, we can now specify any other color. Let's specify our red again. Let's save our document and come back to the. Let's reload. Okay, so when we reload, it turned to red, right? And we cannot use any color. Let's use blue violet. And use blue violet. Reload your document. Can you see it's there? So you can use any color you want. So that's how you can use border color in your document, in your CSS border color, in your CSS border. So I want you guys to practice it because practice makes perfect. In the next tutorial, I'm still going to show you another tips and tricks also. I don't want this tutorial to get too long. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Bye bye.